Edo State Governor Govunor Obaseki and Zamfara State Governor Dr. Dauda Lawan on Wednesday 30th October 2024 officially commissioned the newly reconstructed Edo State College of Health Sciences and Technology, Edo COHEST, where dem don modernize to meet global standards. The event na 3-in-1 celebration wey include the official commissioning of the institution, matriculation ceremony of new students and the 60th anniversary of the college. For the event, Governor Obaseki for a remarks come talk about wetin im don achieve for healthcare sector for the past 8 years and come here and say dem don revamp healthcare institutions for the state to create one strong system wey go fit serve the health needs of Edo people. The governor still talk say healthcare not be only hospital or the infrastructure wey you go see when you dey sick, but say healthcare na system and say the most important thing for healthcare system na the people wey suppose train to provide services for you. A still talk say,
just as it is important to train the doctor, that is how it is to train every other person in the healthcare chain so that you can get quality care. So that we don't have to be traveling abroad to go and get care. Before what is affecting you gets to a level where you have to go abroad, it means that you did not check yourself early. No disease starts and ends up in you flying abroad. If you had a primary healthcare center that was working in your area years before your situation deteriorates, somebody would have picked it up to say we are not happy with this science we are seeing.
The special guest of honor for the event, the governor of Zamfara State, His Excellency Dr. Dauda Lawan, come throw a salute to Governor Obaseki for his dedication to uplift healthcare training and come urge the management of the college to think about student exchange program with health schools for Zamfara State.
I applauded and commend my brother for this shining example of what can be achieved when resilience, vision, and dedication come together. As I see this facility, maybe you should even initiate a student exchange program so that our students from sister health schools in Zamfara can come to this beautiful facility for a semester. Aside from producing health professionals, I pray that this institution will be a bridge to connect people, create jobs, and foster economic growth for both within and outside Edo State.
The highlight of the event na the official commissioning of the institution by Zamfara State Governor Dr. Dauda Lawan. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.